So the topic for today is qualitative characteristics of accounting information. Now here the basic concept regarding the qualitative characteristics of accounting information is that what are the qualities of accounting information that should be present in any accounting information so that it would be useful for any users. Okay, so what are the qualities? Those are called qualitative characteristics of accounting information. So there are basically four qualities that should be present in any accounting information, and those are reliability, relevance, understandability and comparativity. Okay, so let us discuss one by one. Reliability. It should be trustworthy based on true facts. Okay, so the accounting information should be trustworthy and it should be always based on true facts. Nothing false data should be present. Okay, it should be free from window dressing. So here all the accounting data should always be free from all the manipulation of data. Okay, it should be free from bias. So the data should never be partiality. No partiality should be done. Okay, it should be free from error. So there should be no mistake. Okay, all the accounting data should be correct. It must be reliable, backed by supporting documents for verification like bills, receipts, challans, cash memo, etc. So as we all know that all the figures that we collect, it comes from the bills, receipts, challans, cash memo, etc. So all the financial data should be ready for audit also by keeping the supporting documents like bills, receipts, challans, cash memo, etc. So it should be backed by all the relevant documents. Okay, so that's why these all points comes in the reliability. Now the second is relevance. Only useful information should be present. Here the basic concept for the point relevance is that all the information present in accounting should be useful, and it's only the necessary information should be present. No unnecessary information should be present in the financial information. So to avoid wastage of time, only those information should be present which are necessary and up to the point. Okay, so this is where the relevance. So the accounting information should be relevant to the users. Okay. Third is understandability. It should be understandable for all users. Now as we all know, there are two users of accounting information, and those are internal users and external users. So the accounting information should be understandable for both the users, whether it be internal users like staffs or managers, or whether it be external users which are like bank, shareholders, etc. Okay, now the fourth point is comparability. So the accounting information should also be able to compare within interfirm and intrafirm. Here interfirm means the accounting information should be present in such a way so that it can be easily compared with other firm also, whether what are the sales figures and purchase figures, the difference between the firms, what are the figures, sales or purchase any or financial statements, what are the difference between the two or three firms. Okay, and inter-firm means the comparison of that same firm with previous years. So whether it is doing good than previous years or not, so it should be able to compare also. So this is where the basic four qualitative characteristics of accounting information. So thank you.